Today we'll make roasted red pepper pesto pasta. This is what we'll need. I'll start by roasting our peppers in a cast iron pan, turning them occasionally until the skin is charred and blistered. After the peppers are roasted, I will cut them so they lay flat. Then I will remove the white membrane and seeds. Cut them into smaller pieces. Place Parmesan cheese, shallots, garlic clove, lemon juice, olive oil, pine nuts, and roasted peppers into a burr mixer safe container or blender. Mix until smooth and creamy. Now we add salt and pepper to taste. While our pasta is boiling, let's prepare our shrimp and fresh vegetables. When our pasta is done, let's add it to our shrimp and vegetable medley. Let's add our red pepper pesto to our pasta. Now your roasted red pepper pesto pasta is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more recipes.